Hello, my name is Marta Nariño Alarcón. This is my presentation. Who's your closest friend? What did you meet? My closest friend is called Karina. He is a person who is there at all times. He is my unconditional support. I meet her at an outhouse an afternoon of gathering. How many friends do you have on social networking? In my social networking, I have many friends of Facebook, 840, and on Instagram, and thousand some of one are only acquaintances. Who were your friends when you were growing up? As a child in shared a lot with two friends, Luisa and Maria, were also my neighbors. Do you have any friends that have existing lives? Explain we. I don't have friends why existing lives every young lives a normal life so are professional and not practice in the professional. Thank you.